Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Yes, beta. In the previous class, we have covered the part of the plant that is root and stem. Now, today in this class, we will discuss about leaf and flower. Okay, as you know that beta plants have different part like human beings. So in this class we will discuss about leaf and flower. Okay, yes beta, good morning all of you. As you know that beta we have discussed in the previous class about root and stem. Now today we are going to discuss the leaf and flowers. Okay, leaf are usually green colored structure. Leaves are green in color because they have chlorophyll present in leaf. Okay, chlorophyll present in leaf, that chlorophyll makes the leaf green in color. Okay, leaf are the main part of stem. Leaf are attached to the stem. Leaf are the main part of the stem. The part of the leaf is the part of the leaf are the flat green surface is called leaf blade, and the main middle vein is called main vein, and the other veins that are arising from the middle vein, that is called side veins. Okay, so these are the main part of leaf. Function of leaf. The main function of leaf is that green leaves make food for the plant. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They help the plant to prepare their food. Leaves contain stomata. Now what is stomata? The tiny pores present on the surface of the leaf, that is called stomata, and stomata help the leaves to breathe. Stomata help in the exchange of gases. Stomata take carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Some leaves become thick and fleshy and store food. Some leaves can be used for eating like spinach, mint, etc. Okay. Now the next topic is flowers. Flowers are the colorful structure attached to the stem. Flowers are the colorful part of the plant. Flowers are of many types, many shapes. They make the plant look attractive. Okay, the function of flowers are that flowers help in the reproduction. Many flowers like rose yield perfumes. Some flowers change into fruits. Some flowers we eat like cauliflower, etc. Okay, beta. Now we will start the reading. Leaf. Okay, leaves are usually green colored structure. The green color structure present in the plant, that is leaf, and that are attached to the stem. Okay, लीव्स जो है वो स्टेम से अटैच होती है. द लीफ एब्जॉर्ब्स मैक्सिमम सनलाइट ड्यू टू इट्स फ्लैट सरफेस. Leaves have flat surface, and that is why leaf absorb maximum sunlight. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Leaf prepare food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, this is the structure of leaf beta. This is leaf. Okay, the flat green part, ये जो flat green part है, that is called leaf blade. Okay, and this middle vein, this is called mid vein, and जो साइड में वेन निकल रही है, these are called side veins, and this is called stalk, and the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. Okay, you have already drawn the diagram of leaf in your notebook now. So these are the main part of the leaf. Now function of leaf. Green leaves help the plant to prepare its food. I have already told you that leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They help the plants to prepare their foods. Leaves contain stomata. Leaf having tiny pores. Leaf के अंदर छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, स्टोमेटा, एंड इट हेल्प द लीव्स टू ब्रीथ। और वही स्टोमेटा जो है, स्टोमेटा हेल्प द लीव टू ब्रीथ, टू टेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड exhale oxygen. Okay, some leaves become thick and fleshy. Some leaves become thick and fleshy and store food, like stem and root. Leaves also store food, and such leaves can be used for eating. जैसे mint है, okay, coriander है, तो ये सारी leaves है. Spinach है, they are leaves and we can use for eating. Now next topic है बेटा flowers. Flowers are the colorful structure. The colorful structure, the greens colored structure are called leaf, and the colorful structure are attached to the stem. They make the plant attractive. They are called flowers. जो plant को attractive करते हैं उनको हम flowers कहते हैं. Okay. Function of flowers. Flowers help in the reproduction of plant. Flowers help in the reproduction of flower. Flower is the most colorful and beautiful part of the plant. These are of different colors, shapes and size. The brightly colored part of the flowers are called petals, and the green part are called sepals. Okay, functions क्या है, they help in the reproduction of plants. ठीक है, it make the plant look beautiful. Many flowers like rose, jasmine yields perfumes. Many flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar, and some flowers change into fruit. So these are the function of flowers. These are some different types of flowers. Okay beta. So beta, you have to read page number 30 in your book of lesson 3 plants thoroughly. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.